For many people, the garage is home base for hobbies, home improvement projects, and auto maintenance. But many garage doors offer little more than a thin sheet of metal between you and the elements, making it uncomfortable, if not impossible, to use your garage to its fullest year-round. It's easy, fast, and affordable to make your garage a comfortable place to work. It takes less than an hour to install one kit and offers 5 times better thermal performance than an uninsulated metal garage door. Plus, up to a 20% reduction in noise level means your power tools won't sound overpowering and road noise stays on the road. The Owens Corning Garage Door Insulation Kit is designed for use on uninsulated metal garage doors. Each of the 8 panels in the kit are designed to cover up to a 22-inch by 54-inch opening and fit neatly into the exposed channel of the door. Each kit provides enough material to insulate a single-car garage door up to 9 feet wide. Ensure you have enough kits for your project. Each Owens Corning Garage Door Insulation Kit comes complete with vinyl-faced insulation, retainer clips, and even vinyl repair tape in case small tears should ever occur. All you need is a marker and tape measure and a sharp utility knife or scissors. It's important to think about safety too. Make sure you have the right protective equipment, such as safety glasses and cut-resistant work gloves. To install the Owens Corning Garage Door Insulation Kit, first open the box and unroll the panels on a flat surface. Then mark each door section in 2 places. Each mark should be halfway between the edge and the center of the panel. Peel the release paper from one side of the adhesive tape in your kit and firmly press the tape into place over each mark. Then remove the release paper on the other side of the tape and attach a retainer clip to each piece of adhesive. Each door panel should have 2 retainer clips. Next, measure the height and width of each door panel. Remember, panels are not always the same size. Add about ½ inch to each measurement for a good snug fit with no spaces or gaps. Then with the insulation vinyl side down, use scissors or a sharp utility knife and a straight edge to trim each panel to size. Next, simply tuck the insulation into the door panel with the vinyl side facing you. Press the insulation against the retainer clips as you work. Cut a small X in the vinyl facing just about ½ inch high and wide to allow the retainer clips to push through. Inserting a second clip into the first holds the panel securely against the garage door. Simply push each clip until it clicks into place. It's just that easy. Pro tip: do not install when the sun is shining on the door, as the increased temperature of the door may affect the adhesion of the clips. After installation and setting of the adhesive, they can handle higher temperatures. Now you can enjoy a more comfortable garage year-round with the Owens Corning Garage Door Insulation Kit.